What are you guys doing here? It's 5 o'clock in the morning.
Hurry, turn on the TV, turn it on now!
And some early morning fog giving way to sunny skies. 75 degrees. A perfect day to stop by the old folk art and craft show down at the fairgrounds. Or a perfect day to marry Susan Murphy. I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Aww.
And good morning, Modesto. Channel 172.
I know something about love. Gotta want it bad. If that guy's got into your blood.
You look gorgeous, sweetheart.
Thanks, Mom.
To be the very part of you. Make you want to breathe.
Ah, my little girl.
Daddy!
Now, I want you to know that even though I'm about to give you away, I will always be here to take care of you.
Don't cry because then you're gonna make me cry and that's just gonna be a mess.
I can't help it.
Hello, everyone! Attention, attention! Wedding starts in 30 minutes. Let's get everything
My
ready.
beautiful daughter-in-law.
Hi, Mama Dido.
It's like a fairy tale. The weatherman and the weatherman's wife. Romantic.
Oh, I know. Just think, this time tomorrow, I'm gonna be in Paris. And someday, we won't just be honeymooning there. Derek will become an anchor or a foreign correspondent. And we'll travel all over the world.
Ah, honey, my fingers are crossed. One thumb is shorter than the other. It runs in the family.
Derek doesn't have that.
It skips a generation. Your kids are gonna have it.